For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a URL as well as an image into this Google document. So currently we're looking at our customer appreciation letter for the company Snap Pilot, and what I want to do is add their address as well as a link to their website and their logo. First, I'm just going to make some room. Next, I'm going to type in their company name as well as their address. Now that we have that entered, I'm just going to make their company name stand out a bit more. I'm going to select it, make it bold, and change its color to blue. Next, I want to insert the company's URL, and there's a few different ways you can do this. First, you could go to the Insert menu and click Link, or you could just click here, Insert Link or Ctrl+K. And what it does is it'll show you the text that you want to display, and that's where you put that, and the URL for the link. There's an easier way. First, I just want to show you our options. We can click Tools and Preferences, and because we already have Automatically Detect Link selected, all we need to do is just type in the link and Google will automatically highlight it for us and make it clickable. So I'll do that now. And once I press enter, there you go. The link is done for us. Now, if you want to view the link, you would just click it, and then you could click here. And if you want to change it, we'll just click, and you can see that same screen. Okay, so I'm just going to move this to the right to make room for the logo. Now, for inserting an image, it's very similar. You could go to the Insert menu and select Image this time, or you could go here and insert image. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. If you want to, you can choose an image to upload, which will open up your files, or I prefer this way. It's more fun, I think, to drag an image. So I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. And here's our image here. I'm just going to left click and hold and drag it into this box. And there's our image. Now it's a bit big, so I'm going to select it. And on this corner here, you see how the mouse changes. What this means is I can hold down the left mouse button and I can then size it depending on how big I want the image to be. The other thing you'll notice is I have two options here. In line with text means it'll push text out of the way, or what I want to choose is fixed position, meaning it'll have text around it. You see how this text just popped up. And now I'm going to move the image into its final position. So the image is still a bit too big because it's still pushing this text out of the way. I have a couple options. I think what I'll do is I'm just going to click here and add a couple extra lines. And maybe make the image a bit smaller as well. There. And we can get rid of a few of those. Okay, so we now have our finished customer appreciation letter.